Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the latest Windows 11 Insider Preview build 26120.3291, which has just been released for both the dev and beta channels. This build is packed with some exciting new features, especially for Copilot Plus PCs, and it's all about making Windows 11 smarter and more intuitive. So let's break it all down. First things first, build 26120.3291 is part of the 24H2 update, and it's available in both the dev and beta channels. This means insiders in these channels can test these features right now. Let's jump into the highlights. One of the standout features in this build is the enhanced Windows search. Now you can find photos saved in the cloud directly from the Windows search box on the taskbar. This feature uses AI to combine local files and OneDrive cloud photos for personal Microsoft accounts, making it easier to find what you're looking for. For example, if you search for beach vacation, it'll show you both local and cloud photos that match. However, there's a catch. Work and school accounts will only show text matches in cloud files, not photos. So, if you're using a work account, you'll need to stick to local files for image searches. Still, this is a huge step forward for personal users who rely on OneDrive for photo storage. Now, here's something that's going to make a lot of you happy: updates to the Snipping tool. This build introduces a new trim feature which allows you to edit screen recordings by cutting the start and end times. So if you've recorded a long video but only need a specific part, you can easily trim it down without needing third-party software. This is a huge time saver, especially for content creators or anyone who shares screen recordings regularly. It's super easy to use, and it's available in both the dev and beta channels. Of course, no build is complete without a bunch of under-the-hood fixes. This build includes several improvements, such as improved reliability for live captions, making it easier for users who rely on this accessibility feature. Path display fixes in File Explorer, so you'll no longer see incorrect or broken paths. Support for UDP connections in remote desktop, which should improve performance for remote work scenarios. These fixes might not be flashy, but they're super important for making Windows 11 more stable and reliable. It's great to see Microsoft addressing these smaller but impactful issues. Now let's talk about the known issues, which apply to both the dev and beta channels. Some users might experience VPN connectivity problems, so if you rely on VPNs for work or privacy, you might want to hold off on installing this build until those issues are resolved. There are also reports of audio glitches with certain Bluetooth devices, so keep that in mind if you're a heavy headphone user. As always, this is a beta/dev build, so proceed with caution. If you're using your main PC, maybe back up your data first, just to be safe. If you're excited to try out these new features, here's how you can get this build. First, make sure you're enrolled in the Windows Insider program and opted into the beta or dev channel. Then, head over to Settings, Windows Update, and check for updates. If you're not already an insider, you can sign up on the Microsoft website. It's free and easy to do. But remember, this is still a beta/dev build, so there might be some bugs. If you're using your main PC, proceed with caution. Maybe back up your data first, just to be safe. And that's everything you need to know about Windows 11 build 26120.3291, 24H2 beta, and dev. From AI-powered cloud photo search and recall improvements to the new Snipping Tool trim feature, this build is packed with updates that can make your Windows experience even better. Don't forget to let me know what you think in the comments below. Are you excited about these changes, or do you think Microsoft should focus on something else? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.